Unlocking fortune, the power of a lucky break. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's all about serendipity and success. Get a lucky break. Have you ever wondered what it means to have fortune smile upon you unexpectedly? Well, you're in the right place to find out. Let's unpack this expression together and discover how it can turn the tides in someone's life. Get a lucky break is an idiom that refers to an unexpected opportunity or piece of good fortune that comes your way, often at a time when it's most needed. It's like the universe throwing you a lifeline, helping you advance or succeed in something with a bit of unexpected help. This phrase can apply to various aspects of life, including careers, personal projects, competitions, or even day-to-day situations. While the exact origin of "get a lucky break" is a bit murky, it's believed to stem from the world of theater and performances, where an actor might receive an unexpected opportunity to shine, perhaps due to another actor's inability to perform. Over time, this phrase has transcended its original context to become widely used in everyday language, symbolizing any fortuitous turn of events. To truly grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. An aspiring actor works odd jobs while going to auditions. One day, they get a lucky break when a leading role becomes available because the originally cast actor had to drop out. A struggling writer gets a lucky break when a famous publisher stumbles upon their blog and decides to offer them a book deal. In sports, a young athlete might get a lucky break if they're chosen to play in a major game due to another player's injury, showcasing their talent to a broader audience. You can use "get a lucky break" in both casual and formal conversations. It's perfect for sharing stories of unexpected success or discussing moments when things turned around for the better. For example, after years of hard work, I finally got my lucky break when my design was featured on the cover of a major magazine. So, the next time fortune comes knocking in the most unexpected ways, you'll know exactly how to describe it. You just got a lucky break. We hope this video has shed some light on this optimistic expression. Remember, life is full of surprises, and your lucky break might just be around the corner. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the luck in finding your moment of unexpected success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. See you in the next one.